Welcome to our AI cartoon animation tutorial. Discover the power of AI in animation creation. Today, we'll explore script creation, prompt crafting and script flow. Each section builds your skills step by step. Start by drafting your storyboard with clear AI prompts. You have to break down your animation in steps or stages. The flow and consistency is important. Transform ideas into engaging prompts. Example would be, create a cartoon animation on how a kid found his courage when faced with difficulties and obstacles from people and situations. Let's dive into the AI tool for image generation. Describe whether it is the tech field. Colors would be bright or dull or black and white. You can even mention rainbow colors to be more descriptive. The key is to be specific with your prompt. The more details and specifications you enter into the software, the better. Remember, it is the context and background that is important. Now, combine your visuals into a smooth sequence. When editing your animation, you have to make sure your outline and flow is logical and easy to understand. Seamless transitions bring your cartoon to life. Optimize your animation with the right color choices. Experiment with subtle effects for dynamic visuals. Remember, practice is key to mastering AI animation. Subscribe now for more expert AI tutorials.